I said, I'm going to book a way. On my field, I said, I'm going to book a car.
Yeah, man.
People are
Hi, Elamina or Cape Coast, Elamina Castle. You're talking about castle, you know the castle? It's not castle bridge is alcohol. This is the castle of the building. Yeah, let's go inside. This here be tallest area. People come from abroad to visit us, to watch everything, the slaves and the more others. Let's go inside to make sure you understand the Elamina Castle, how it's going on, no? Follow me, hear me. Yeah, if we enter here, yeah, we see the fair ladies. This is all the tallest. Here be Elamina Castle. If you come to inside, be here be tallest. All over here tallest. All the tallest. Yeah. Here be the praise, you know. Here be the praise. Here, 1957 at Kwame Nkrumah, our former president, he say rest in peace. Yeah. Hi Elamina Castle. What you did that? We are from America. Aha. And I did baby. America 4, UK 4, 1 4, Europe 4, China 4, you are Batolis. Everything about Quasam Titi. We be can't to reach there. Yeah, I had it. What I say? Baby, and I'm Titifono, a bank was soon, ever soon, no sharp of fussy. I just said, yeah, booby, yet TTB, a turbinum. I had any. Our former president, Dr. Sergeant Fubano, from my bed chief in Kwasmebina, independence. 6th of March 1957. That's a saying, you know. Personally, how would for the Baha and Puyagana Fumpo, the Tuana Mobaha number, high baby. What I say, baby, I don't share. Maybe I don't share to grow. What I own pretty pigeons, you know, any shaman. We are two now, shame. And only so all the year tourists. Yamaso be a chair by ha, every Empire TV. And the Kodam Tata TV can subscribe, you know. Yeah. I mean, yeah. They say condemn please, Shema TV. They said that here you condemn. We are talking about tallest. This is the tallest. If you enter, you see more. The build, how the white man built this house. You can't count the money. See the contract. What's ready? Yeah, cameraman. How tall is it? Yeah. But 18. Out of 4, I have Elamina Castle. Send a GT Ghana for me. Me pomba de se pomba de baby. Oba, awo baha, abo fufu ban. Oh, him company Lewin, Jay-Z, Beyonce, Cross, Pop Daddy. Omuna Elamina, Hannah say I had a woman at home. Omuna for American. Omuna Ghana for na as a Ghana and your fending to be able to be free. So you're there, Omufria. Because it is still black Americans. Black America be any free Ghana. Cape Coast, Elamina ha. Wasn't a day before you know free ha, a film so echo Americano. Into Black America be free Ghana. Commando, Rambo, Billy Brans, Recross, Merida,
Lumba,
Michael Jackson, and the Pop Daddy, T.I. most of stars omu ni Ghana obi Ghana Roma say free that yes commando efichi fraso that thing I mean one day we fit an honor